Welcome to English On, your daily 5-minute English training. If you're new here, I'm your English coach, and I'm here to help you speak more naturally every single day. Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel a little embarrassed when you try to talk about your daily life in English? You know what you want to say, but the words just don't sound quite right? This feeling is so common, and the reason is usually one tiny, simple mistake. Today, we're fixing the most important, basic part of English, the simple present tense. We use this tense to talk about our habits, our routines, and our facts. Essentially, your real life. If you can master this, you can talk about 90% of your day confidently. I used to feel incredibly self-conscious speaking English, especially when I was talking about someone else. I remember telling a friend, "My mother cooks great food." My friend smiled and politely corrected me, "You mean your mother cooks great food." It was just that small S, but it was the difference between sounding like a beginner and sounding correct. Mistakes can be fixed, and I just needed to start simple. I mastered the simple present tense, and that's exactly what you're going to do today. So, here's the golden rule. The mistake almost every beginner makes. Listen closely. When you talk about he, she, or it, you must add an S to the main verb. I drink coffee. She drinks coffee. We walk to work. He walks to work. If you master that small S sound, you instantly sound more correct and more confident. Let's practice together. Remember, listen first, then repeat after me. Ready? Drill 1. Talking about yourself. I, we, or you. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. We study English on YouTube. We study English on YouTube. I always check my phone first. I always check my phone first. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. Drill 2. The Golden Rule Challenge. He, she, or it. She works at the bank. She works at the bank. He watches a lot of TV. He watches a lot of TV. The train arrives on time. The train arrives on time. My mother cooks every night. My mother cooks every night. Drill 3. Simple present negatives. Don't, doesn't. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. She doesn't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. We don't watch TV every day. We don't watch TV every day. He doesn't play football on weekdays. He doesn't play football on weekdays. Now, let's quickly analyze a few phrases we used, because this is where natural English comes in. On weekdays. This phrase means Monday to Friday. It's much more common than saying from Monday to Friday. Example, I go to the gym on weekdays. Before bed, a simple, natural way to say before you sleep. Example, I read a book before bed. On time. This means exactly at the correct time, not early and not late. We often use this with trains, buses, or appointments. Example, the train arrives on time. Fantastic work today. You practiced the simple present tense, both positive and negative forms. You now have the power to talk about your life and the lives of the people around you correctly and confidently. Remember that small S sound in using don't or doesn't correctly makes a big difference in how natural you sound. It's the small habits that lead to big results. Your challenge for today. Write 3 short sentences in the comments below. Use the simple present, 1 about yourself and 2 about someone else, he or she. If this helped you speak with more confidence, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English On. Keep your English on every day.